Hello, Luis. What are you doing here?
I'm searching about the book of physics about the electrical energy.
Physics? Cool. Physics is cool.
And where are you searching?
I was searching about electricity.
Ah, me too. I have to do the work of the PIA. I have to do a video.
Oh, you're going to go to the university too?
Yeah. And there's a hint. I don't know how.
Yes,
So,
maybe physics.
but you find it, the book?
No, I think that it's not this section. I think that we should go there and find it.
Let's go.
Go for books. Economy is kind of related to physics too, no?
And the economy, we're searching about the different ways to generate energy. It's about physics.
It's a big book.
Yeah, it's a big book. It's about the physics and the energy and the way to generate it. Where is your teacher?
Islamia. He's a great teacher.
Is that your teacher?
Many years of experience.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Do you remember your topic about the PIA Physics?
About electrical energy.
Do you know what is that?
Your topic?
My topic is... I don't remember what is the topic.
It's about the PIA.
Yes, but I don't remember.
It's about
I believe
electrical
that
energy?
if we are working together, we can to solve these problems about the PIA.
Yeah, I want to read your team, but we'll have to find this book because without the book, we can't do that.
Do you know what could be some great solution? If someone would make a video about electric generation, that would be cool.
Yeah,
Yes.
we have to do a video about that, but your teacher is Daniel, no?
Yes.
Okay.
We're in the same group.
Like we're in the same group. I remember.
Seriously?
All that. Yeah. The first year one. But here, this is a book of physics. Look.
Read it.
Oh, this book is agronomy.
No, it's physics.
It's physics.
Yeah, physics.
Electricity.
Physics of horns.
Okay.
Electrons.
So we're going to do the video. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Electrical energy is a form of energy resulting from the flow of electric charge. Energy is the ability to work or apply force to move an object. Other way, in the case of electrical energy, the force is electrical attraction or repulsion between charged particles. And the electrical energy may be either potential energy or kinetic energy, but it's not like that. It's usually encountered as potential energy, which is energy stored due to the relative positions of charged particles or electric fields. Something like that is described as the electricity. The movement of charged particles through a water or other medium is called current or electricity. There is also other type of electricity, that is, static electricity. This one is the one that results from an imbalance or separation of the positive and negative charge, like it is in the graph of the marker. And the static electricity is a form of electrical potential, and this is how we define the electrical energy.
Continuing with this project, I want to talk about the generation of electricity. This topic is very important because of contamination obligated humanity to search different sources to obtain electricity. Cause of this problem is because normally the humans use the thermoelectric plants, fossil combustibles. And this topic, basically, you can see the form how you can obtain electricity in different ways. For example, chemistry, kinetic, thermal, nuclear, solar, and other sources of electricity. Basically, generation of electricity is the topic most important because according with this thing, you can see the different sources for to obtain electricity. if you don't have fossil combustibles or petroleum, you can obtain electricity after each after. But well, this topic is most important according with the word that I say in the beginning of this part.
Okay, to talk about, I'm going to talk about the same, but some examples. Like, I don't know, we went to laws that is in San Nicolas as well, from the Plaza of Animales. Behind the laws, there are some houses with solar panels or something like that. This is a particular example that my teammate Jesus told that because of the contamination, the people is obligated to can obtain or regeneration terms or generation parts of the electricity. The persons are obligated to search other type of generation instead of the I don't know the typical generation of electricity that is I don't know what is the typical generation of electricity, but I know that that generation it causes a lot of contamination, and if we can we have to live and we want to live to I don't know 70 years something like that, we have to search or type of electricity, because if we maintain in this form, we're going to die because of the contamination or I don't know some mistakes in the water, some mistakes in the ocean that increase the level of the ocean or something like that. We are going to die if we don't find our generation of electricity.
Continuing with this topic, we have different ways to generate this electricity. And one of the first ways was the battery cells, in which is a chemical process. The chemical interaction between the battery cells and electrolyte produces a voltage that can drive the current through a connected device. Battery power can energize lighting, drive small motors, pump water, and even provide electricity to an entire home. Another way to generate this electricity is a steam power generation system, in which uses wood, coal, gas, wood gasification, or nuclear energy as a fuel to heat a liquid in a boiler producing high pressure steam. This steam passes through a turbine rotating an attached generator that produces electricity. Many power plants today that uses geothermal energy function on this principle. Steam power is an excellent source of renewable energy. Another way to generate this electricity is a new technology. First was investigated by Nikola Tesla, conducted his first experiments to transmit electricity without wires. Tesla's experiments included energizing light bulbs spaced out from a power source without connecting wires. In this energy is obtained from electric and magnetic fields, abbreviated by EMFs, are invisible areas of energy, often referred to as radiation, that are associated with the use of electrical power and various forms of a natural and man-made lighting. EMFs are typically grouped into one of two categories by their frequency, non-ionizing and ionizing, in which one makes harm to the human body and the other not. And that's it.
For continuing with this project, I will talk about all different sources of obtaining electricity. Electricity can be produced by renewable or non-renewable energies and pollution. Currently, electric energy can be produced in several ways. The most common is produced by thermoelectric center. This center contains fossil fuels, has coal or oil that produce calories. There are other sources that generate renewable energies, those that are in nature and don't end. Hydraulic power station. Type of facility is usually located in reservoirs where water accumulates. Electricity is obtained by turning the turbines, connect to a generator that moves by accumulate water that falls from a grid net. wind park. Plants are made up of wind turbines. These windmills have blades and a generator. The electricity is generated by orienting the blades to the wind so that it moves them. Solar garden. The power plants are generate electricity from solar radiation. This cause in the only one that doesn't use mechanical energy but generates electricity through a serious chemical reaction that occurs in polar panels.
This is a topic about the different sources to generate electricity. I want to talk about the nuclear energy. The nuclear energy basically is the most used process in the big cities because your rental is more effective than other kind of source to generate electricity. This process is too complicated, and for this reason, I can indicate this form that you can understand this topic. And for this reason, the only word or phrase that you can say is Dominus effect. Because in this process, if you have an atom and you put this atom in the box of the different atom, and electrons of this particle charge or atom charge will be interacted with the other atom, produce a Dominus effect. This I'm going to tell, for example, this. If you have the atom for a charge, the atom charge, and you put this atom in between other atom not charge or normally atoms, this atom charge is normally called isotope or isotope. If you have this isotope in the box of the different atoms, this electron will be traveled and the other atom, and this distance will be our energy. And it's the same, this is on effect because now this electron is here, and now other electron is here, and is here, and is here. If you sum of them at this all distance over this atom, you can see that